Hi, in this video we will learn how to use the Sumifs functionality in Excel to sum values based on two conditions. In our example, we will sum the total sales that John made for each month. To do this, type equals Sumifs, open bracket, select column D, which is the amount, comma, select column A, which contains the sales rep's name, comma, quotation mark, type John, quotation mark, comma. Now we will add the second condition. Select column C, which contains the months, comma, quotation mark, type January, quotation mark, and close bracket. You will see that John made $1,500 in sales for the month of January. If you click and drag the formula, it won't carry forward. This is because John and January are written as text. As best practice, it's better to reference the cell as opposed to use text if you're planning on expanding the formula onto multiple cells. We will delete John and click on I3, and we will remove January and replace it with G4. This will still not carry the formula forward to the subsequent months, because the reference to John's cell I3 is now relative, which means it changes as we go down the list. We will lock it again by adding the $sign. We will update I3 to $I $3. Now the months will get updated for John as you go down the list. Let's copy this formula for Matt. We will need to change the formula from $I $3 to $J $3. When you click and drag down, the formula will carry forward, and we will do the same for Paul. Check out my previous video, which shows you how to sum if based on a single condition. I will leave a link in the description and in the top right corner of this video. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.